Hello and welcome back, my lovely viewers. Today's lesson is on the past continuous and past simple tense. I have to say my sincere apologies to my viewers and followers as I have not posted videos for some time due to my busy life. Hopefully you will forgive me and continue to support me. For more videos, please click the like, subscribe, and bell button. Thank you for your support. Now let's start the lesson. In an English sentence, we could use the past continuous to describe a longer action, while the past simple describes a shorter action that interrupts the past continuous action. For example, we were watching TV when you texted me. So, the past continuous was happening, which is we were watching TV. Then there was the interruption, which is in the past simple tense. You texted. We were watching TV when you texted me. Let's see another example. He was sleeping when suddenly the phone rang. Let's do an activity to see how well you're understanding this lesson. You will get 2 questions. Each page has 2 images for you to make a sentence using the past continuous and past simple tense. Remember, your answers may vary. I have given possible answers. Write me yours in the comments section and I'll respond. Pause if you need more time. Best of luck to you!